bum, so I like to play. From the boy that going back to LA, leave me the rest in Miami-Dade. Yeah, my city alive, but you can see death in my eyes. If you look deep enough, then you will find. What will I find? I got rage in my soul. I fear I'm losing control. I'm going down the dark road. You can see the death in my eyes. I only talk to myself, and that's what I've been told. Glass half empty, feel like somebody's out to get me. My consequences when you're heavy. My destiny is never steady. Told the goddess of death I'm ready to see what lies on the other side. Slip my wrist and I'm gone. I admit to my wrongs. Vices keeping me up at night. My sins keep me running for home. I'm wasting my time with a woman I never loved more than my dog. Now I see clearly. Now that I can see through the fog, I wasted away in my bed, panicking, catching my breath. Now nothing is left. The mirror never lies. It could see my cries, hear my screams in the middle of night. I'm losing the fight. I tried to numb the pain, drug me up and fried. Oh Lord, tell me why I can't run away from my mind. I shrug my shoulders to rumors and lies, conspiracy theories and dummies alike. When I rest my eyes, I know I am deep inside. Yeah, realistic bum, so I like to play. From the boy that going back to LA, leave me the rest in Miami-Dade. Yeah, my city alive, but you can see death in my eyes. If you look deep enough, then you will find. What will I find?